Hi everyone, welcome to my live video. This is Sheila M. Bajaj for those of you who don't know me. Today is a very special day, it's full moon. And yeah, for those of you who don't know me, I'm a numerologist, I'm a life coach, and I do healing and I train a lot of people to become healers. I also have an esoteric center and I'm the founder of the Rising Phoenix. Rising Phoenix is, a whole platter or a buffet of services that we offer to people, from tarot to healing to different modalities. All right, so today is a very special day. Today is full moon. It also coincides with, all of the powerful energies that we are actually getting from the Lion's Gate. Okay, the Lion's Gate portal is open, and today is a super powerful jackpot, insanely crazy day for spiritual energies. Today is the Diwali of spiritual energies. Okay, a lot like Guru Purnima type, but that is different. It's like you can't compare jalebi and gulab jamun. Can you compare? Like, some people will say, no, gulab jamun is the best. Some people will say jalebi is the best. Some people are going to say cake fudge is the best. Some people are going to say red velvet cake is the best. So everyone has like their own yummy energies that they enjoy. But having said that, the Lions Gate portal is open. It's a very powerful time till the 8th of August. Anyone who's watching this, get everyday healing till the 8th of August. Doesn't matter what modality you get. Reiki, you can get Lemurian healing, you can get Merkaba healing, you can get Soul Star healing, you can get fifth dimensional healing, or take it all. Okay, these are the times that you invest in yourself. I always tell people, you put so much energy into other things that you rarely ever invest in yourself. Okay, a lot of people who have this fiery, wow, exuberant energy, they invest a lot of time in honoring themselves and self-care. So that's very important. And Punya is here, guys. She says cake is the best either way. Okay, thank you, Punya. Punya is super funny. You should watch her videos. You can actually follow her on Click Madness. She's phenomenal. She's amazing. I love the way she hula hoops. I just keep watching like that. वो कैसे करती है? And she's an awesome comedian. She can just make you crack up. And I love people who make other people laugh. Like, I will carry a jhanda and say, follow comedians, they are the best. Okay, because they make people laugh and they're divine workers. I always say that. Okay, so today is full moon, and today is a day that you put energy into yourself. What do you do on a full moon day? How do you make use of this jackpot day? Okay, today's kind of day that you really want to ride on high tide. Okay, thank you, Punya. So you want to ride on high tide today. Today's energies are jackpot. Whatever you do magnifies. So don't do kitch kitch today. Today is one day you never do kitch kitch. If someone's doing kitch kitch, let them marinate in their own kitch kitch. Okay, let them marinate in their own potty. अगर उनको potty करना है, अगर उनको उल्टी करना है, उनको अपने उल्टी में marinate करने दो. Sit in your bubble and do not allow anyone to burst your bubble. Which means watch some nice comedy videos. You can go to Punya's page and you can laugh, because that will just magnify the energies of love and fun and joy. And the energy of fun and joy is magic energy. Okay, so do whatever makes you feel happy and that energy will magnify. What is the second thing you can do? Get a full bay leaf. Okay, I'm not going to answer questions on how, what, ye, wo, but I'm just teaching you all this, and I've taught you this, guys. Like, I've taught you this 100 times. So get a tej patta, the one the yucky biryani ka thing that you get in the biryani that you never ever eat. That is the tej patta you're gonna take, but you get a full bay leaf. And if it is टूटा हुआ, don't ask me what to do. उसको खा लो, ठीक है? या उसको बिरयानी में डालो, या उसको पेस्ट बना के सर पे डालो. I don't know what to do. Okay, so you just take the biryani ka leaf and write your intentions or your manifestations on it. Make sure you you put one wish on each leaf. Okay. And for those of you who have manifestation oil that I make magic products, remember. Okay, you can put manifestation oil, anoint it with that, burn it, and then take the ashes, go to your balcony, okay, or outside, wherever, and you do that. So it kind of goes into the universe. That's a simple way of manifesting your wishes. Very good to do that on full moon. Always remember, you have to be very mindful of what you want to create. Don't think of shitty things on full moon, okay? Think of all the shitty things on new moon. Aaj full moon hai, you're going to think all positive thoughts. Okay? So you're going to write your wish on the bay leaf, put manifestation oil. For people who don't have that, take cinnamon oil. People who don't have that, take cinnamon, put some oil on it, anoint it, burn it. So you're going to like mix it with anything that's chip. If you put cinnamon in water, your leaf will not burn. And then you'll say, oh my God, kuch ho gaya, mera manifestation burn hi nahi ho raha. Don't come back to me and tell me that burn nahi ho raha. That's because you put water in it. It's not going to, that's like ultimate level of magic you're expecting, no? If you're expecting cinnamon powder mixed in water to burn, then you're really expecting like next level of magic. I'm not Harry Potter, guys. I can't make water burn. So please do that and manifest one wish on each bay leaf. All right. You can put money oil, you can put manifestation oil, you can put crown of success oil. But my suggestion is to use manifestation oil. Okay. So that's the best. So you want to use that. Like if I tell you pimple pe pimple cream डालो, pimple पे आप जाके एलर्जी वाला क्रीम नहीं लगाओगे, right? If I tell you बुखार के लिए क्रोसिन खाओ, are you going to go and take anti-allergic or are you going to go and eat vitamin C? No, right? So like that, you should be just following what I asked you to do. Manifestation oil means manifestation oil. If your wish is related to money, you can put manifestation oil, but you also can add money oil. Now, if your wish is related to a job interview being a success, you can put manifestation oil, and then you can also put job oil or you can put crown of success. If no, you can't put ghee, you can't put malai, you can't put chocolate fudge, you can't put any of that on your manifestation leaf. You can't put ghee. You can't. You simply can't. You can eat ghee. You can't put it on your bay leaf. Okay? Okay, guys. So that should have cleared stuff. Now, if you don't know, don't do it. Or you can go back to this video. Yeah, chocolate fudge. Hannah Pranjal, what do you think? Like, people ask me, can I put ghee? Can I put chocolate fudge? Can I put malai? Can I put, what, frozen bottle ka milkshake? I mean, you can't put any of that. How to make manifestation oil? Guys, I make manifestation oil, okay? Does anyone actually like teach you how to make a certain formula that's good for your skin, or are they going to tell you take this and use it? So you guys are not trained on how to make certain products, but yeah, marketing in a different manner, dominating but appreciative. Thank you, that is so sweet, Mayank. But I don't dominate, darling. Anyway, if you think I dominate, cool. Okay, so I have no coconut oil. You can actually, yeah, you can mix the cinnamon powder and coconut or olive oil. Use a neutral oil. Cinnamon oil can be mixed with olive oil. That's the most neutral oil. Okay, don't worry about what oil you're going to use. Just don't use sarson ka tel. No sarson ka tel. Okay, no sarson ka tel. Yeah. Like, don't ask me how to make manifestation oil, guys. I mean, that's something I make. So it's there on my online store, shop.sheila.com. And if I ever decide to do a course in teaching you how to do magic, to do root magic, I'll be happy to announce it on this platform. Cool. So you can use cinnamon powder with any oil. That's what I mentioned, Sanjita. All right. So the next thing that I'm going to say, someone actually made me realize that I say all right a lot. I say all right a lot in a lot of my videos. So I'm going to consciously try to not say all right. Okay. So maybe I'll say okay. 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 Aise. Okay, no sarson ka tel. Sarson ka tel is mustard oil. Mustard oil cannot be used. Okay. That's the only thing you can't use. Any pen is fine. अपना फिंगर काट के ब्लड के साथ भी लिख सकते हो. I'm kidding, guys. Cinnamon oil, cinnamon powder, any of that will work. The next thing that I want to tell everyone is today is a magical day. Okay, magical day. Today is the day. Guys, share this on all your groups. I know it takes very less effort to share it on Facebook. Let's have more people create magic in their life. Be kind. Just because you're not getting a free reading, just be kind and share it on all your groups. Okay. Okay, the next thing is today is a very, very, very magical day. Today is full moon and it's a jackpot energy day. So my recommendation is get any form of healing. Today is the day that you actually want to like fill your, your energy centers. No using black pen, guys. Use purple, use red, use blue. All right. Okay, so today is the day you actually use the spiritual energy for your benefit. It's that one day in a month that you want to avail some form of healing. You want to meditate. So for people who are not participating in any healing, go to my YouTube channel and do the full moon meditation. Do at least that. Okay, soak your feet in BMR salt and do that. The next thing that you want to do is participate in a group healing. Group healing. Whenever there is one person getting healed, there's 1 unit of energy. When there are 11 people, it's like some 100 times more. And then when there are 21, there is like 1,000 times more. So imagine we already have 350 plus people who are participating in a 5th dimensional healing. What is 5th dimensional healing? It's a very, very high form of energy. It's energy channeled from 12th dimensional beings. And the 5th dimensional energy is so subtle, it sort of breaks patterns, it breaks all the malefic energies in it. And 5th dimensional energy really works on a very high level. So, really like 5th dimensional energy can be channeled wherever you want. 5th dimensional energy is awesome, guys. And we have 350 plus people who are participating. If you haven't already, if you haven't registered, go ahead and register. For all the people on Insta, the link is in my profile in bio. Go ahead and click on that 5th dimensional healing Telegram link. And for people on Facebook, it's right here. Pallavi has just posted a link here. Okay, so you can download Telegram, click on that link, and you should be able to be directed to that group. So you can join in the 5th dimensional healing. We'll be working on the energies of Chiron retrograde. It's a very, very magical time. Emotional healing will happen on the next level. Today is also 3rd. Okay, the energies of Jupiter are very strong. So I'll be channeling the energies of Jupiter. Today is the 3rd of the month, so it's Papa Elegwa's day. Also today is Monday. So again, I will be channeling Papa Elegwa's energy. Today we will be doing also a lot of work on prosperity, on financial healing. I'll be working on throat chakra, on your upper chakras actually. On your throat chakra, on your 3rd eye, and on your crown and your soul star chakra. Okay, these are the chakras that I'm going to be really working on. So for people, and every time I do 5th dimensional healing, I definitely focus on activating your immunity center, your thymus. So please remember, I'll be working on that energy as well. Okay. The next thing that I will be working on is I'm going to see how it goes, how the energy goes. And I'm also going to be working on root chakra activation. What is root chakra activation? Your root chakra is your center of money, stability, growth, all of that. Okay. So 5th dimensional healing is phenomenal. Okay. It's not very expensive at all. It is 600 per person for the 5th dimensional healing. What am I saying? 6th dimensional. 6th dimensional होता नहीं, आप powder हो जाओगे अगर 6th dimensional का energy दिया तो. So, how frequently do you do live sessions? I don't know. It depends. पता नहीं mood के ऊपर depend करता है, energy के ऊपर depend करता है. I've just become like super crazy busy these days. So, कभी-कभी time नहीं मिलता है to do live sessions. So also guys, some of you would want to get a different type of healing modality. We also have something called Markaba healing, and we have one more practitioner in our center who's going to be handling, actually 2 more practitioners who are going to be handling Markaba healing. One is Shian, who is my son, and one is Pranjal. So these 2 people will be handling Markaba healing as well, and they will be doing healing for more number of people. So you can have about 12 people or 6 people. We'll see how it goes. All right. They probably will, move up slowly. Not like ekdam se itne log, but probably move up slowly. 5th dimensional healing. Guys, there's a link posted by Nandini right here. Yes, root chakra activation is not easy. Tanya says that she's really excited for the root chakra activation. For the past couple of days, I've been doing root chakra activations for people in 5th dimensional healing. And it is not it's not the most comfortable, because activation of the root chakra also means all the shitty energy in your root chakra will have to sort of go. and that's not a comfortable feeling, right? So a lot of people do get backache, they might get leg pain. So please have a salt bath, okay? Please have a salt bath. Okay, towards the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a symbol that you all are going to have to draw on your hand. You're going to get a purple pen or a blue pen, okay, and draw on your hand during the fifth dimensional healing session on your left hand. Everyone, today I want you to draw a symbol on your left hand. So quickly share this video on all your groups. All the people who are on my group, please post this Facebook Live link so that everyone joins in so that they know what symbol to draw. Okay? Can I not get fifth dimensional healing without Telegram as I'm unable to download it? Okay, cool. So Ritu, what you can do is Pallavi will post the form. She will post the form link. There's a form. Actually, even if you go on my page, I've actually posted the link. If you go 1-2 post below, you'll see that there's a forms blah 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 5D kuch sheila.com aise kuch. So please go ahead and register for it. If your name is on that list, for sure you will get healing. Okay, it's just that I don't go live during the healing. I'm focusing on healing. If I sit and do a live video during healing, फिर मैं healing क्या घंटा करूँगी? So guys, I can't go live during a healing. Error is shown there. We aren't able to join. Okay, I'm not able to understand why the error. Can someone else post? Can you go on my Facebook and see on my Facebook page? The link is there. Pranjal says, yay, Shian. Shian is an awesome healer. He does awesome tarot reading. He's just like a Zen master himself giving guidance. Okay, that was really funny. During the tarot class, I don't know if he was really learning or if he was teaching. He was contributing a lot to the class. But I always say it's because, he's gifted by birth. So that's why it comes naturally to him. So guys, you can DM Pranjal here, Pranjal R. Sharma, and she will give you the link. She will give you the link. Pranjal. She'll give you the link. Okay. Pranjal also does a whole bunch of things in the center. She does psychic reading along with Archana. I mean, not together, but two of them are psychic readers. They do psychic reading. Psychic reading can blow your mind away. No, they can just probably see the color of your chaddi or something. So, I don't know. Psychic reading is spooky like that. Like spooky in a good way. So, Pranjal is an awesome psychic reader. She does amazing psychic reading, and Archana. And they both will really, really spook you out because it's an awesome type of psychic reading. And so you can ping Pranjali if you want the link to the 5D link group. Okay, so any form of healing today, important. Make sure you focus on self-care. Stay away from negative thoughts today. Please do a salt bath. Very crucial today to cleanse your energy before you do some kind of manifestation. You don't want potty energy on you and then you'll manifest something. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Then you'll have, in your manifestation, you'll have that potty energy. You don't want that. So remove all the potty energy and then you can do manifestation. And like I told you, you can do the bay leaf manifestation where you will write your wish with a purple pen or with a blue pen on that. Okay. Soaking your feet in BMR salt is important. Yes, soaking your feet in BMR salt during the fifth dimensional healing, very, very important. Okay, guys? So make sure that you do a salt bath today. There's no escaping that. Get any form of healing done, and whatever energy you put in today, remember to your intentions, your manifestation. Okay, I told people today to participate in the black candle service at the Temple of Miracles. Do a black candle service, then do a green candle or a blue candle. Fabulous day to do these two. Blue candle is for manifestation and then green candle is for money. So if you want to manifest money in your life, then you want to do the green candle service in the temple. Okay. So Pratik is saying potty energy. Oh, bhai sahab. Okay. Thank you, Pratik. I don't know if you were saying that in a nice way or not so nice way, but I'm just saying thank you. Just receiving that as a compliment because you laughed. Okay. Does anyone have any questions about full moon? Do you have any salt bath and jinx breaking bath done? It was so relaxing. Tanya, it is so good that you did that. All of the tarot card readers, Tanya is also a tarot card reader in my center, and she Yeah, she's also tarot card reader on my side. I'm not sure if her profile is up or not. So, we also recommend to people to do like an intense cleansing. So the jinx breaking bath also cleanses you like in a very intense way, and salt bath. So do an intense cleansing on your aura, because then you're more receptive to receive that yummy energy on full moon. And also people who just like to meditate, please do the pink moon meditation or the full moon meditation that I did on Guru Purnima. Okay, both full moons had very, very amazing meditations. You can do either one of them. Either one of them, guys. So, okay, does anyone have any questions? I'm having headache today. Should I do manifestation or not? Don't worry, yeah. Don't worry about headache, because that's just something stuck in your head. I have a feedback. My husband used BMR salt today morning. He just now told me, Sheila, that before the bath he was thinking weird, and after he felt that change after the bath. Yeah, we all think weird. We all think weird. And during the full moon, people who work with energy and who are sensitive are gonna have their emotions do woo, 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 do all of that. Also, guys, remember the Lionsgate portal is open. So today's energy for fifth dimensional healing is going to be wow. It's going to be next level. The next jackpot day that's happening is very, very soon. Is on 8th of August. Again, the energy is on that day because it's number 8 and 8. 8th of August, 8-8. So the energy, again, there's an energy portal that opens. It is going to be insane, like a downpour of energy. Also an awesome day to get a tarot card reading done. Alright. Again, I said all right. Tarot card reading done. So you can get a tarot done on that day. Yes, I'm coming to that, Darshana. Which symbol to draw? What is select days? You need to select a day, Rahul. So you can select today, you can select another day, or you can just select one day. It is mandatory because you have to select some day now. This is a calendar. Now we have a form for multiple days booking. The next healing session is on 8th, the mega day. The mega event is on 8th. 8th is a fantastic day. That's going to be a day again that you should be getting fifth dimensional healing. You can get Merkaba healing. You can get Soul Star healing. Very, very good on that day. I've had a bad day and fought with negativity. Is it too late to change my energy? No, it's not too late, Arya. Arya. It's not too late. I'm going to definitely recommend that you have a salt bath and after that join the fifth dimensional healing. You know, people tell me, what if I don't have what if I don't do salt bath? It's like, you're asking me, right now I smell of armpits and then I want to wear this perfume, but I don't want to have a bath and I don't want to remove the armpit smell before I put this really amazing perfume. So what happens when you smell of armpits and you still put some lovely perfume on the armpit smell? It's just nasty. I don't even want to imagine it. So my recommendation is to wash off the nasty stench and then wear perfume. That's the only logic to doing a BMR salt bath before fifth dimensional healing or any healing session. Yeah. Okay, does anyone have any other questions before I tell them about what symbol you need to put on your hand? Ma'am, if we light 5 to 6 different candles at Temple of Miracles, does it affect the effect? Is it a wrong approach? No, you can light as many candles as you want. You can do any offering. What kind of salt? So I make a salt called Black Magic Removal Salt. Okay, it's a very, very intense salt. Most people get a body ache after cleansing with that salt. I have the next level salt which is on my online store called Tarot Salt because it's for my tarot card readers. So people can use any salt. The Tarot Salt is a lesser quantity, but it's a very potent salt. It has some intense, crazy energy. You'll just be like that after the salt bath. So we just register for the 5D healing or we even participate. That's participation. If you register for the 5D healing, you're already participating. Yes, your 7-month-old can take fifth dimensional healing. Your pets you can enroll. You can add your business name. You can add your home energy. Like you can register just your house. You can put your address or your door number with your building name. So you get fifth dimensional energy for your home. You can register your business name, your family, your parents, whoever you register. Remember, we're going to work on that immunity. We're going to work on the root chakra activation, upper chakras, prosperity energy, love energy. Remember, fifth dimension energy is a very, very, very high vibrational love energy. Okay, so a lot of people, their personality sort of changes with fifth dimensional regular healing sessions. They become nicer people. They become nicer, sweeter, more, their receiving opens up. Some good stuff happens. Okay, do we need to soak the feet during 5D healing? Yes, I would like for people to soak their feet because it flushes out the negative energy. And in BMR salt, okay? How do I get my tarot card reading done? Please go to tarot.sheila.com. I have my team A in tarot.sheila.com. Okay. In fact, I have a couple of my senior readers here. One of them is Archana. I have been getting some crazy, insane, awesome feedback about Archana. She also does that to me at times. Like, she'll be doing a healing for me and then suddenly she'll give me some awesome feedback. So Archana on my senior team at tarot.sheila.com is awesome. She's next level awesome. Okay, guys. Something happened to my live feed. Okay. So Archana does psychic reading. She also reads tarot. She's awesome. She does intensive tarot card reading and she's extremely psychic. She'll suddenly tell you, R se kiska naam hai? M se kiska naam hai? Like, she'll suddenly tell you some stuff like that and everyone's blown off. Like, she'll blow you off your mind. And she has this very, 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 very gentle approach. You just feel this amazing comfort with Archana. You can tell her anything and she functions from a zero judgment. Okay, guys? Even if you have a pimple on your ass, you can tell Archana and she will not judge you for it. Yeah? She is like Shaktiman. Yes, she's like Shaktiman. I agree, Pratik. She's awesome and she can see stuff. Like, she probably tell you the color of your chaddi or something. And you'll say, oh my God, usko kaise pata chala? No, not like that. I mean, she does a psychic reading. So she kind of goes a little deeper into your life and there's some crazy level of scanning and she knows stuff. She's really awesome. So get a reading done from Archana. She's brilliant. Then we have Janki. Janki is brilliant. She does angel reading. Janki is the only one in our center actually who does angel reading. She'll help you connect with your guardian angels. Janki also gives you what guidance your angels are trying to give you. If you've ever felt key sound in your ear, it's probably your angels trying to connect with you. Okay, so Janki does a very, very awesome reading. It's called angel reading. She gives you guidance from your angels. She tells you what message they're trying to give you. Insane. Then we have Pranjal, who does vision interpretation. So if there's any vision that I've seen, either in a ritual for you, you've asked a question and there's a cryptic message by Papa Elegua, Pranjal will decode it for you. Janki also does that. Okay, because they attend the rituals. And Pranjal does tarot card reading. She also does Lemurian healing, soul star healing. Actually, Janki also does Lemurian soul star. Pranjal does Markaba healing in our center. And yeah, that's about it. So Pranjal is also on our team A. So you can get a reading done from her as well. So that's that. Janki is an angel herself. That's true. And she does awesome healing. Janki is a phenomenal healer. She's phenomenal at doing reading. She's phenomenal at doing actually everything. So, and Pallavi is amazing too. I agree. Pallavi is on my team B. I have two teams. So there's tarot.sheila.com. That's my team A. And then there's team B, who are a bunch of enthusiastic, awesome readers. Okay, who are actually way above their level. They should actually be like team A1 or something, but they're still team B because we have A and B alphabet. Nandini is here. Nandini is awesome in her reading. Varun, Akira is right here. She has an awesome way of, her reading style is next level again. There's Radhika. So Radhika is also extremely brilliant. And on full moon day, I want to announce, I think I should announce it today. So I want to announce something very, very special that we do in our center, and that is graphic analysis. Okay, graphic analysis. So it is a combination of your handwriting and a drawing. So Radhika and Tanvi do this. Okay, Radhika and Tanvi do this. So you guys can ping them. No, actually, sorry, I got the name wrong. Radhika and Tia do this, and they are, I think, right here somewhere. Radhika is somewhere here or here. I don't know where they are. Okay. Both of them do graphic analysis. So they will analyze your writing plus a little drawing. So you guys can get a reading done from Radhika and Tia. Okay. Neelima says your students are awesome, like they have a great guru like you, Sheila ma'am. Thank you so much. Seriously, they are awesome, okay? And they are awesome because they're awesome. And yeah, I'm a fabulous teacher. But so we do graphic analysis, guys. It's not yet put up on our website, but I think we should. It's good that we should announce it today, being a very very awesome day, full moon. So yes, and then there's Markaba healing by Pranjal. Pranjal will take up group Markaba sessions. In fact, she's gonna have one today, so you can join the 5D healing group, guys, and you can always go from there on. Okay, so Radhika and Tia, fabulous, okay? Like, they've been analyzing stuff for me and they've blown my mind away. Like, the stuff that they said is so insane. We're going to also introduce signature analysis for all the people who have had name corrections with me. We have a separate service called signature analysis and correction. So, they will actually tell you how to change your signature, okay? Generally, a numerologist is not trained to do signature analysis. Please remember this. Okay, so we can tell you like vaguely, aise likho, go with an upward stroke, end with always like that, don't end down. You know, a numerologist will tell you like very, very vaguely. Okay, but a graphic analysis will tell you about, an analyst will tell you about your handwriting, a drawing. So they're actually a combination of many things, and they're also tarot card readers. Okay, so you can ping Radhika and Tia and they're awesome. Okay, so Pratik says, how can I join your team, ma'am? Please guide. Then I also want you to announce my name on your Facebook live. You'd have to actually do a masterclass with me, Pratik, first. Okay. Pranjal Markaba healing. She is a phenomenal healer and understands things very precisely. Absolutely, I agree with that. Pranjal is so precise with her healing. She'll be cutting cords and she'll say, ये वाला cord बहुत मस्त था, ये वाला cord बहुत intense था. So she does soul star healing and she's absolutely amazing. And guys, if you've never got a reading done, an angel guidance done, get it done from Janki. She's right here on Insta. You can ping her. Janki is also available on tarot.sheila.com. Her angel guidance is next level. Remember, I did it on one live video, angel guidance, and I said, right now I don't have anyone in my center yet who does it. So Janki is the only one who does it, okay? So you can get an angel guidance from Janki. And you can get a healing from her. You can get actually anything done from Janki. Anything. Like you can get soul star healing and she's awesome. Janki, I agree. He should manifest the wish. I agree. So, yes, you can buy magical products and get them delivered. Okay, coming back now to the symbol. How do you join the group? Akira, can you please post the link here? All of them are awesome. All my readers are awesome. All of them are phenomenal. Okay? Janki is an all-rounder. You're right. But you know, I disagree with the whole, like, you know, sometimes people will say jack of all trades, master of none. Like, even I know so many different healing modalities and I've studied so much, but one can be a master of all. That's just a mindset that you have, that you can't be a master of all. You know, because a lot of spiritual modalities don't take too much time. It's not like a 3-year course or like a 4-year program. So, but a lot of people just learn one modality and they're kind of satiated. But my readers will never stop learning. I never stop learning, right? Okay, so what is the symbol that you're going to put on your left hand? On your left hand, you're going to Google up a symbol called Antakarna. Okay, guys, quickly Google up a symbol called Antakarna. And you're going to take a blue or a purple pen and you're going to draw it on your left hand. Okay, it's a very, very powerful symbol, and the energies that are going to be projected, 5th dimensional energies that are going to be projected today are going to be really, really phenomenal. But I need to have the Antakarna symbol on your left hand. So please draw the Antakarna on your left hand and it's going to be a healing at a whole different level. Okay, whole different level. So draw the Antakarna on your left hand today. Soak your feet in salt. Join the 5th dimensional healing and be geared up to have enough fuel to manifest whatever. And I was telling people on my group today that, you know, whenever you get a whole bunch of spiritual energy, 5th dimensional, Markaba healing, soul star, whichever modality, okay, you resonate with, this energy is like, you know, it's like food for your soul. you know, your body has an innate ability to heal itself. When you get surgery, you know, when you get something going on in your body, it's not something on the outside that heals you. It's your body's prana energy, you know, itself, the chi energy inside the body that heals that wound. All right. Yes, it looks like that. So the body's energy heals itself. So when you get fifth dimensional healing, the healing capability of your body goes to a whole different level. Now you can channel this energy to a wish that you want to manifest, to your relationship, to your career, to your business, to your children, to your organs, to your emotions, to your mind, to whatever you want. All right. So you can, before the fifth dimensional healing, you can say, I'm willing to receive fifth dimensional healing from Sheila Bajaj. And you can also say, for relationship, for my business. All right. So do that, and I'm going to see you in the next 10 minutes on the fifth dimensional healing group. Join the Telegram group, or just go on the forms wala link here, and I'll see you there. All right, guys. Today, like I said, is a very, very powerful day. Any of you want to get Markaba healing, it works on the emotional self. It doesn't really work on any other area. It only works on releasing emotional blocks, in healing you emotionally, maybe trauma, maybe abuse, maybe negative emotions, anger, rage, fury, all levels of negative emotions. So you can also get a group Markaba healing session done, okay? And you can join the group for that. For now, I'm signing off, and yes, you can get healing for your house. Full moon is an amazing energy, bonanza time. I agree. I absolutely agree. That could be the best Rakhi gift for your brother or sister. Absolutely, I agree. Yes, you can write the symbol for a 3-year-old kid. Absolutely, you can write it for anyone. So if you're availing healing for that person, please draw the Antakarna on their left hand. Okay, and I'm going to be connecting and magnifying the energy for you guys. Make sure you also write your wish list and keep it in your hand. So all of the excess energy that you get, it's not going to go waste. You know, it won't get like, the energy won't go into the pillow. Okay. So you can manifest your wish. Zubin is laughing. Zubin, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Come. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't say hi like that. Show me your face.
No.
Face.
No.
Okay, Zubin is here.
Hello.
This is Zubin.
Hi.
He just had a bath. Zubin had a bath just now. Okay, so guys, see you in the fifth dimensional healing group, and
Okay, so bye again.
bye. You can join the group, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in a bit, and make sure that you follow all the instructions that I gave you. The Antakarna symbol on your left hand, then the wish list with 10 wishes with a blue, purple or red pen, no black pen. Yes, that's the Antakarna symbol. Yeah, the Antakarna symbol is really powerful, and the moment you actually draw it on your hand, even if you don't draw it with a pen, even if you just draw it like that with your hand, you'll notice that there's a fiery energy in your hands. So imagine that, you know, what level of energy we're all going to tap into in fifth dimensional. So guys, get your wish list, put it in your hand, and we're going to start the fifth dimensional healing. There's still time to register. I'm going to give at least 10 more minutes for people to register. All right. So see you on the other side. Bye. Antakarna. Ritu Antakarna symbol. Just Google it. Bye guys. I love you.